Okay, so question 1b of the assessment has a scratching post, which the original one is here. We know that this length is 60 because we calculated that in the previous question. But whatever answer we got in the previous question, as long as we put it there and use it for solving this problem, then that's good. Now I would probably say that the easiest way through this one would be to use similar triangles. That is, we've got the small triangle here, which is 45 by 60, and we have a larger triangle, oopsie, which is 45 plus 25, which is 70, by something which we're trying to find out called y. That angle and that angle are shared. This angle up here and this angle up here are the same because they're corresponding angles with two vertical parallel lines, and we have two 90s there. So I would state that the two triangles above are similar because they share the same internal angles. Now, once we know they're similar, we're trying to find y, so the unknown always goes at the top right of a similar triangle problem. Y has a relationship with 70 in the same way that 60 has a relationship with 45. Both sides need to be multiplied by 70, that will leave us with y here, and 60 divided by 45 times 70, 60 divided by 45 times 70 is equal to 93.33 centimetres. Now, it tells us up in the question that Isaac has a maximum of 90 centimetres available, and that's 93, so it's not going to meet the criteria. If we were to reduce the y value to 90, what we're looking at is, given that this is going to be 90, and now I want to know what this is, okay, I can use one of these triangles again, and again use this thing here and try and work out what is the maximum length that this horizontal bit can be. Currently it's 70, but what's the maximum length? So I would put maybe z here and say z has a relationship with 90 in the same way that 45 has a relationship with 60. Alright, both sides get multiplied by 90, that gives us 45 divided by 60. 45 divided by 60 times 90 means the maximum length can be 67.5 centimetres. Now that is 2.5 centimetres shorter horizontally to allow 90 centimetre height. So those two parts there, that would result probably in the merit, and this thing here would lead on to the excellence.